Welcome back to X-Car. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Skoda Yeti, a vehicle that marks a bold evolution in the compact SUV segment, while staying true to the brand's core values of practicality and reliability. But this time, we're focusing on the exterior design, performance, and features that make this SUV stand out on the road. First impressions are crucial, and the 2025 Skoda Yeti doesn't disappoint. The front of the Yeti has been completely redesigned to showcase a more aggressive, yet refined look. The signature Skoda grille now features sharper edges, surrounded by a more prominent chrome trim, giving it a bolder presence. The headlights have also seen a significant upgrade, now adopting a sleeker, angular design with LED technology. These headlights not only improve visibility but enhance the overall aesthetic of the Yeti, giving it a modern, dynamic appeal. Moving along to the side profile, the 2025 Yeti maintains its compact SUV proportions, but with subtle changes that give it a more athletic stance. The sharp character lines that run along the body add to its muscular look, while the sculpted wheel arches enhance its rugged, off-road ready feel. The proportions are just right for an SUV that balances city driving with off-road capability. Speaking of off-road capability, the wheels of the Yeti are a standout feature, with a range of alloy options. They not only look good but are designed to provide optimal performance. Whether you're on dirt roads or city streets, the wheels offer excellent traction and stability, ensuring a smooth ride no matter the terrain. At the rear, the Yeti showcases a robust, yet stylish tailgate design. The rear lights have a distinctive new look, with sharp, angular edges that mirror the design language found at the front. These LED taillights improve visibility while adding to the SUV's modern, high-tech look. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Skoda Yeti is a perfect blend of ruggedness and sophistication. It's clear that Skoda has gone for a more premium, modern SUV aesthetic while still holding onto the brand's reputation for practicality. With improved aerodynamics, enhanced visibility, and a more sculpted body, the Yeti is built to stand out in a crowded market. But it's not just about looks. The Yeti's exterior design plays a vital role in its performance. Its elevated ground clearance and off-road capabilities are evident. As it tackles rough terrains with ease, the high stance not only helps with better visibility but also contributes to its ability to conquer challenging landscapes. So, whether you're navigating the city streets or exploring off the beaten path, the 2025 Skoda Yeti's exterior design ensures you're doing it in style. This SUV proves that utility doesn't have to sacrifice aesthetics, with every line and curve carefully crafted to reflect both form and function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to X-Car for more in-depth reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.